World Express is very good experience where so many crores of people join together, and the spiritual activities throughout India we could have seen there, and all community people are come and join there. So I have gone near the dargahs also. There also I could more than 50% other people are there. So it's a mixture of culture, which is the biggest strength of India, because India is the only country where is unity and diversity. In other countries, such things are not there. So these are very useful for the stronger India in the days to come.
What we need to learn from Kumbh Mela,
See, we have to see, when we know the tradition, culture and the activities of different places of different religion, caste, spiritual activities, I think everyone's individual personality will develop. So he should follow his religion very well. They should respect and know the culture of the other religion. It's interchange of the culture of religions will only bring a faithful society, and that faithful society will make India one of the best country and the strongest country in the world.